So, what is going to happen in the next 35? How many of you are here sitting since morning? Great, ताली मारो यार. Seriously. Boss, I was there since morning. फिर मैं बीच में गया because मेरे को लगा मेरा सेशन आएगा. सेशन आया नहीं. फिर बाद में बोला सेशन आएगा. सेशन आया नहीं. फिर मैं खुद आया. फिर सेशन आया. तो मैंने जो भी देखा है स्टेज पे, all the people, I just calculated just because I was taking notes there. I showed to शायद प्रणव या मैंने दिखाया था notes. All the people, if you calculate who are there since morning now, we have crossed $1 billion in turnover on this stage. No, I'm not joking. आप calculate करो. $1 billion आपने देखा है स्टेज पे. और अगर आप सवेरे से बैठे हो और अगर आने वाले 2 साल में अगर आप 1 करोड़ कम से कम नहीं कमा सके तो कुछ तो गलती है नोट्स लेने में, इनमें नहीं. ओके, सो व्हाई आई एम हियर इज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इवेंट व्हिच हैपेंड इन कोलकाता इन द Jan of this year. 135 members invited me to deliver a master class of 4 hours. 4 घंटे लैपटॉप लेके बैठे, पर ये बताओ ये कैसे यूज करें. In March, they have over 30% increase in productivity. It's real case study of my members. And a standing ovation after 5 hours of an event. They grow. And only this is a QR code for all the reviews of the members in case if you want to see further on this. This is after 5 hours, sir. Such senior members. देखो मैं कहाँ पे जा रहा हूँ, मैं कहाँ पे आने वाला हूँ.
এবং 5 years speaking এবং coaching এ কাজ করে আমি বুঝতে পেরেছি entrepreneurs, business leaders, sales professionals এবং marketing executives সবাই 3টি প্রধান চ্যালেঞ্জের মুখোমুখি.
कैसा लगा? बहुत बढ़िया, थैंक यू सो मच. आपको और भी अच्छा लगेगा when we start deep diving into how AI is really evolving. What do you know about AI and what actually is AI? So let me present to you a talk that I called as Crush It. All these slides, you know, I take hundreds and hours for making one slide, every slide. कैसा लग रहा है? मजा आ रहा है? वो फूड टेक मैंने मॉर्निंग में सुना, फूड टेक वाले काफी सारे थे, तो मैंने वो जो अंदर बैठा ना वो स्लाइड चेंज करा, फूड टेक कर लिया immediately. How many food tech people here? Food industry? काफी सारे हैं ना? I have something excellent for you. Okay, how many to sales marketing? Okay, and entrepreneurs? Chalo, wonderful, great. सबके लिए सब है. Each one of you will get something out of this talk. As you see this image, it will start changing in the next 20 seconds. That is how in the next 20 minutes your concepts and your perception about AI is going to change. That is my promise to you. Okay? And you will find that it is just not ChatGPT. 5 घंटे के मास्टर क्लास में मैंने ChatGPT खाली 10 मिनट बताया, वो भी मजबूरी से, because वो एक ही टूल उनको मालूम था. So just imagine the landscape of what is possible and what is not. आपको ऐसा लगेगा थोड़ी देर के बाद, because I am going to give you the real tools. पर आप जाइए मत, there is a session after this. ठीक है? Okay, so I have just changed one word in my title that has been given, Transforming Business for Tomorrow. मैंने कॉमा डाल के टुडे लिखा है. मतलब बनता है? कुछ मतलब बनता है? Okay. So one quick thing. Just pick one card. 5 seconds. One card. Ready? Okay. Your card is gone. Your card is gone. Okay. This is what AI is doing to you. इधर खेल रहा है. I'm coming to that. So this is a very psychothermic talk. AI तो बताऊंगा, but I'll be touching your left side of your brain and right side of your brain. You will not understand. पता नहीं चलेगा आपको 40 मिनट वगैरह कैसे खत्म हो गए. You will not even feel like looking at your mobile phones, but please do look. ट्वीट करो, फोटो निकालो. वीडियो मत निकालना कॉस्ट्यूम्स की. ओके, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू फाइंड दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस every day in your life when you get up in the morning? It's a fight. How many of you raise your hands? Yeah, those who are not raising, na, I wish you all the best. Because every day morning we are doing the same things at times and it's always a pain. It's a fact of life. If it's not, then there is a challenge. जाने किसी दिन, सुनिए मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, टॉक किसका हो रहा है? AI का. बात क्या कर रहा हूँ? Everything is related. एंड में आपको पता चलेगा क्या रिलेशन है. ठीक है यार, दरवाजा बंद करो यार, अंदर से बंद करो प्लीज. अरे शी डिडंट इंट्रोड्यूस यार, वो मेरे को, मैं मूवी में भी काम करता हूँ यार. I just finished a shooting of 4 days for a Hindi picture in Ratnagiri. I'm just coming from that. So, anyways, जाने किसी दिन जिंदगानी में कोई करिश्मा क्यों नहीं होता? जाने किसी दिन जिंदगानी में कोई करिश्मा क्यों नहीं होता? मैं हर दिन जाग तो जाता हूं, जिंदा क्यों नहीं होता? और वो जिंदा करने के लिए आपको, अरे ऐसे पैसे नहीं देते मेरे को, ठीक है ना? वो जिंदा करने के लिए आपको मैं सिखाऊंगा AI कैसे यूज करें, अपार्ट फ्रॉम ChatGPT, योर फेवरेट टूल. ठीक है, और उसको कैसे इस्तेमाल करें. The best part of this talk is all the tools that I'm going to show you are free tools and freemium tools. इसमें से कोई भी टूल पेड नहीं रहेगा. लीगल में कौन है? लीगल हमारे, हाँ, सेक्रेटरी साहब. थैंक यू यार, ही इज द वन हु रियली लुक्ड एट सच अ स्माइलिंग फेस एट मी. ना मेरा चेहरा कैसा भी था बेचारे ने, सर मतलब उसको देख के पिघल जाएगा मन. ठीक है, हार्वी AI इज योर टूल. को काउंसिल AI इज योर टूल. ओके, AI work.pro इज योर टूल. आप मेरे को सेक्शन बताओ, मैं आपको टूल्स बता दूं. ठीक है, मेरे को देखने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. सो एनीवेज, डू यू नो हर? यस. कौन बोला? अरे ठीक है ना, अच्छा है ना यार. बम्बल पे हो? नहीं, पूछ रहा हूं. अरे नहीं हो तो हो जाओ यार, क्या उसमें क्या. Okay, so in 2017 I delivered a keynote at PMI conference in Mumbai and I made Sophia talk to me. Okay, Sophia, can you say hi to the audience?
Hello.
Can you say hi to them? Hi. Sophia, did you hear anything?
Ahmed, I think we are sitting in an empty auditorium at Jaipuria Institute of Management.
नहीं हुआ. Anyway, Sophia अभी थोड़ी ओल्ड हो गई, तो ये है अभी. ठीक है? Yeah, can you introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Amanda and I am Amit Jadav's personal digital assistant.
So Amanda, can you tell the audience in Lucknow today what the session is going to be about, and please use Hindi.
AI के इस ब्रेकथ्रू मोमेंट में आपका स्वागत है. आज के मास्टर क्लास में आप जानेंगे कि कैसे AI को एक बज़वर्ड से अपने बिजनेस का कंपेटिटिव एडवांटेज बनाया जाए. अमित यहाँ आपके साथ अपनी बैटल टेस्टेड स्ट्रैटेजीज शेयर करने आए हैं. मैं आपका उत्साह महसूस कर सकती हूँ. आप ऐसी इंसाइट्स एक्सपीरियंस करने वाले हैं जो बिजनेस के प्रति आपके अप्रोच को हमेशा के लिए ट्रांसफॉर्म कर देंगी. आइए इस दिन को आपके कस्टमर एक्विजिशन का गेम चेंजिंग मोमेंट बनाते हैं. चलिए कुछ जादू करते हैं.
जादू करनी है? अभी मेरा सेशन था लंच के पहले, तो मैंने उसको लंच के पहले तक का ट्रेन किया हुआ है. तो अगर गलत जवाब देगी तो मेरी गलती नहीं है. ठीक है, वो इनकी गलती है. ओके, सो लेट्स डू सम मैजिक. कैन यू आइडेंटिफाई with your AI data that I provided to you, Amanda, few people who are sitting in front of me right now?
Sure, I will do that.
Okay. अगर उसने आपका नाम लिया तो will you stand? Okay, let's see. Okay, Amanda, let's go. Food processing industry, मजा आएगा आपको.
श्रेया गुप्ता, प्रियंका खंडेलवाल,
Can you please rise?
राशि यादव, शिवानी अरोड़ा,
अरे उठ जाओ, जिसके नाम लिया उठो उठो.
सत्यम श्रीवास्तवा, संजय गोविंद, रंजीता सचदेवा, नमिता कश्यप, निधि रस्तोगी, फगवन हमर, ज्योति देवान, आशीष बहरानी, विशाल गुप्ता, नितेश अग्रवाल.
Can you want to give a round of applause for them? Thank you so much. So that means you were there before lunch. कैसा हुआ क्या पूछ रहे हो ना? पैसा देना पड़ेगा उसके लिए. ठीक है, चलो बैठो हो गया आपका रोल. Thank you so much. Okay, so anything else?
You look cool in those yellow sneakers.
मुरली ये 12 के पहले का डेटा 12 के पहले का डेटा, so please understand. Okay, so that's why Vish and Kamal say, you know, I'm an experienced speaker. In the sense, I create experiences, not talks. Okay, so see, once upon a time, you know, business as usual was good enough, but where we are going, good enough is dead. For a very simple reason that today businesses are transforming with technology. Think about self-driving cars who can learn and think. Right now the only space to innovate is you, because you're in the tornado fueled by digitization, augmentation, disinformation, automation. Science fiction is becoming science fact. Self-driving cars who think, learn, grow. Over 3 lakh sensors in one particular car. Because the skills will be different. Winning and losing is having more impact and faster. And it's not just the Google search, it's the research thinking that will get the answers. Because in the most transformational times in human history, technology represents the how, but humans represent the why of change. It's about the holistic approach that we have to create just in time, just in case, 100% perfect. But most important, it's the ecosystems that will drive. The future doesn't just happen, the future gets happen. The new way to work is to embrace technology, but to become it. And the future isn't technology. Yet, the bigger future lies in transcending it. So let's live, let's lead from here, and let's crush it with AI. Okay? So, over thousands of years ago, when mankind started to imagine that he has power in himself, he started running. And then the Greek came up, and you know, you had those carvings on the trees. Then they started writing. We realized that we can do ink was manufactured. The first printing press. Eventually, today is the day. In 1993, Intel's processor was produced. Today is that day, 22nd of March. What a historic day. Okay, and then we had the first Bible printed in the 14th century. Technology took a different turn after this, and we had the telegram and the telegraph and the telephone, and then the black and white television TV that you see, and then the color television, the internet. In all these things, all those human lives who are sitting in this auditorium, who have lived more than 40 years, are the biggest technological transformational examples of how things have changed and how they have adopted. And the reason I say this is particularly because it has been so slow for the first 100, 200 years, but it's tripled and quadrupled in the last 4-5 years. And that's the biggest challenge. The challenge is not about adaptability. The challenge is about how you are getting your business to be adopted. Chattopadhyay wrote a novel called as Devdas. This is the 1935 Devdas. You will say, what the hell it has to do with AI? I'm coming to AI, don't worry. Okay, first let me get your mind clear. What you have to expect. This is the 1935 Devdas. This is the wonderful Dilip Saab's performance, 1952 Devdas. And this is the two lovely actors and Shah Rukh Devdas of 2002. What is common is the novel. What is different is the presentation and the changes made with respect to generations. My question to you, my dear friends, is in the last 6 months, has your business made any changes to its processes, approach, or systems? In the last 18 months, has your business made any changes to the processes, approach, and the systems. If not, be ready to become the Devdas of this generation. Because if you don't adopt, it's very difficult. Remember this? It used to go for 60 seconds. This is hypothesis. उसके बाद जो भी आता था हम देखते थे. जो भी आता था. रिमोट नहीं था अलग बात है, पर वो बोलती थी ये पिक्चर आया. We देखते थे it's a high note. But you had the bloody patience to wait for 60 seconds. And do you remember this? I hated the people who had the number 0 because बहुत टाइम लगता था आने के लिए. Redial बटन भी नहीं था. But you had the patience. But now, this is what is happening. How many of you here are photographers? Photographers? Okay. Writers? Publishers? Authors? How many of you? Okay, great. अरे मेरी book किधर है? Okay, yeah, I'll tell you. Okay. One thing take away of this session. Each one of you here are content creators. Each one of you. Whether you're a VP of a $1 billion company or you're a student. By the way, student fair community, do you want to earn $5,000 a month? Yeah. यकीन नहीं हो रहा है? मैं आपको 10 ऐसे टूल बताऊंगा, मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूं. अभी करो अभी पाओ, रापा बाम देता. 10 ऐसे टूल्स बताऊंगा, आप यूज कीजिए AI के, you will earn $5,000. You have to spend 1 hour every day. Are you ready for the commitment?
Yes, sir.
I will show the tools at the end. ठीक है? मजा आएगा. Okay, so if you see this is 2 years old. ये 2 साल पहले के सब इन्वेस्टमेंट्स है, अभी के मैं बता ही नहीं रहा हूं. Why I'm showing you this is every Fortune 500 company is investing since last 2-3 years in AI. This means that today or yesterday we should have started adopting, but it's not late because this is going to drive like anything in any business that ever happens. And I'll tell you why. This is one reason why it will happen. We spoke a lot about the internet. ठीक है ना? 1996. The entire internet of 1997 से 2021, 24 साल, the internet has changed, made a revolution of $13 trillion. But this is what AI is doing and will do in the next 9 years. Why? Because there's something called as AI agents. Do you know what is an AI agent? I will explain you an AI agent in 3 seconds. 3 सेकंड में AI agent मैं आपको बताता हूँ सर, आप बोलोगे नहीं. AI agent का काम क्या है? Okay, anything that you want to automate with respect to 2 different functions joining in is AI agent. Are we clear? मैं आपको सबसे सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बताने वाला हूँ टूल्स और एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द कॉन्सेप्ट्स. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट इंडिया इज डूइंग विद AI टुडे as of Jan 2025. No wonder entertainment is at the start. Okay, and no wonder search is also at the start. Because how many of you keep on searching the same thing again and again for the entire day? Raise of hands. Same thing search, but every time Google पे जाना पड़ता है. How many of you? Okay, here's a 2-minute tool for you, which I tell in my master classes. Whatever you want to search is a keyword, right? I'm so happy people are taking notes. Very good. I hope you're taking notes. ना मोबाइल देख रही है. Don't take it. So, google.com/trends and google.com/alerts पे जाइए. Put an alert of the keyword that you have. For example, your competitor क्या कर रहा है? आपके product, let's say you are into food processing industry, which is into agri-tech, fintech, okay, or your SaaS-based, cloud-based, whatever software company. Just put the product name on google.com/alerts and put a keyword and you say and or, so and India or India, whatever it is. And don't go to Google. Google will give you a notification every day whenever someone types that on the internet. Are we cool? Cool, bolo. Are we cool? Great. So that is a free tool. Okay, start using it today. So what people are doing right now is very basic on AI. I want to show you what you can do on a more advanced level with all the free tools. Okay? Let me explain you this. This is a very technical term, but मैं आपको बहुत simple language में बताता हूँ. Okay? अभी जैसे कि एक रेस्टोरेंट है गोमती नगर में. Which is your favorite restaurant यहाँ पे? गोमती नगर में? बाबे की नेशन है? हाँ जी? हाँ जी? Okay, THF. ओके अभी वहां पे आज क्या बनता है खाना, लेट्स से, ठीक है ना, द शेफ वुड डिसाइड व्हाट इज देयर इन टुडेज दिस रेस्टोरेंट, ही डिसाइड्स इट, दैट इज मशीन लर्निंग। उसको मालूम है ये है, ये मूली आ गया, ये गाजर आ गया, ये आ गया, ही डिसाइड्स बेस्ड ऑन द कंटेंट एंड द इंग्रेडिएंट्स व्हिच इज योर डेटा ऑफ डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स कि दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द फूड। नाउ इन एंटायर Gomtinagar, do you know how many restaurants are there? 168. Okay, 168 restaurants, there's only one chef who decides कि आज THF में क्या बनेगा, बारबेक्यू नेशन में क्या बनेगा, depends on the data of the last 12 months कि वेडनेसडे को पनीर मसाला ज्यादा जाता है बारबेक्यू नेशन में अनलिमिटेड पे, ही डिपेंड्स ऑन THF में फ्राइडे नाइट्स को कबाब ज्यादा जाता है, so it will give the ingredients based on these restaurants accordingly, and then this is the back of all artificial intelligence। ये पूरा लखनऊ का रेस्टोरेंट्स का एनालाइज करेगा, फिर इंग्रेडिएंट्स देगा, फिर कस्टमाइज इंग्रेडिएंट्स देगा, एंड फिर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन देगा कि कब कौन सी गाड़ी कहां से निकलेगी। इज इट क्लियर टू यू इन सिंपल लैंग्वेज व्हाट इज एआई? आर यू कूल? आर वी कूल? ओके, so this is a spectrum. Before you go ahead, we need to understand this spectrum. This is what is enterprise AI. In a simple terms, I'm going to explain to you, and this is artificial intelligence। तो हम जो बात कर रहे हैं ना इस वक्त, friends, this is only generative AI, जो ऊपर का राइट है। 99% of India and world is right now still on the generative AI. Teslas and other things have gone to the next level. Okay, this is a very simple explanation for you to where we are going. And this is the peak point. So in the next 3 years, by 2027, 28, the number of AI agents will be crossing the world population. And each one of you sitting over here will have an agent of your own. For example, all the entrepreneurs over here, do you still on your websites have contact us forms? Do you still make the customer have the efforts to reach to you? उसको पेन हो जाए, ये भरो, वो भरो, वो भरो, वो भरो। Now with the AI tool which is free, the customer can talk on the chatbot. Moment he talks, your chat responds, dynamic chat, not the static chat of the Bank of India and HDFCs that you see. वो EVA and all that. वो नहीं, वो सर खाते हैं। You ask a question, it gives the same answer. वो it's a headache. Dynamic chats, and then another AI which talks to this, which is an AI agent that you've created, would send an email to that customer, and then it will follow up with the customer, and there's a third AI that will come up and make a telephone call to that customer. So we had sent you an email, have you received it? And he said, no, can you just probably resend it again? And it will do that, and then it will fix a physical meeting to either your office or your shop or your restaurant where it is. This today, March 2025, is happening. And if you're not doing it, you're missing out on a huge lead generation opportunity. Are we cool? Good. So for the food industry, there is only 3 applications of AI. And I showed this because I was speaking at a food conference. I was a keynote speaker. Government of India Food Processing Industry had invited me. The AI, which I showed you right now, I'll give you one simple example of shop floor. Anyone manufacturing? Manufacturing, you have shop floor activities? मतलब जो मैन्युफैक्चर करते कुछ है क्या? And raise your hands. Okay, ठीक है. Now you have the shop floor. There's a machine running. Okay, you have safety protocols and quality protocols. ठीक है. Today you have a camera which will only tell you कि भैया क्या हो रहा है. The AI tool will, वो शर्मा जी है या वो पटेल है, उसको directly if he's crossing the line, will start sounding a message. शर्मा जी आप पीछे आइए, आप लाइन क्रॉस कर रहे हैं. પટેલ ભાઈ શું કરે છે તમે? આગળ નથી જવાનું. This is the customization world. This is happening today. We call it hyper customization. You're getting where we are going? Are we cool? नींद जा रही है? अभी जाएगी. Okay, I just made a simple prompt. I didn't want to show that, but my morning slides are different. I edited them right now for the time slot different. So you are missing out on few tools, but I can't help. So this is a simple prompt I gave. This is real time. An Indian woman, daydreamer, believer, doer, achiever from business, whatever it is, and I have put in a wearing sari, and then I put and I have having a bindi. See what I'm doing, huh? Real time. I'm talking something else right now. Okay, and I say generate for free. That's it. Okay. The number of seconds it's calculated is around 15 seconds. to generate two different kinds of images. How to use it for lead generation, I'll tell that. Okay, it is generating. You can see the bar moving up in real time. Time हो गया क्या? नहीं. अच्छा. मेरे को time हो गया. Okay, cool. Ready? Now, it has given me two images. Now I take another AI tool, put these images in the tool, and tell her to speak to you, and train her to talk to you. Can you do that, please?
आप अपना दिन अच्छे से बिताएंगे और व्यक्तिगत और पेशेवर रूप में विकास करने में मदद करने वाले नए उपकरणों और तकनीकों को सीखेंगे। अमित, अब आप लोगों की तालियों के साथ शुरू कर सकते हैं।
क्या बोल दिया? कैसे? हाँ, खतरनाक. Okay, this is just nothing. Do you know what is this? Now I'm going to the real applications. ठीक है? Do you know why this song was famous quickly? You don't know this song? Why this song was famous quickly? तो ये song क्यों famous था? Written? नहीं रे बाबू, उसको नहीं था. ये यार तुम ChatGPT वगैरह exams को मत use करो please. Because I have already told your professors a tool to identify how to identify an AI text. तो तुम करो ही मत. हाँ जी. Why? क्योंकि all entrepreneurs, where are you? क्या कर रहे हो यार? नाक मत काटो. हाँ जी. Sidewalk, okay, थोड़ा different. That's fine. Next, quickly. Music अच्छा था. Very good. Anything else? Steps अच्छे थे. Okay, so there are four things which AI is enabling here, which I'll show you how it is relevant this song with AI and the tools. Simple, action, localize and trigger. बहुत simple था song. Simple action था. Very simple actions. Okay, नहीं अच्छा लगा ठीक है ना, उसको पैसा मिल गया ना, वो 100 करोड़ मिल गया उसको यार, ये स्टेप का. तुमको क्या है? You didn't like, it's okay, he is not bothered. Okay, localized. Why localized? How many people in India wear chappals and how many wear shoes? See, think of how the directors think. I act in movies. I just completed a movie right now in the Amazon. July में आएगी. Okay, so localization, relate to people. Are you doing that for your customers? Is your content simple? Is your content simple? Do you have 2-page brochures still? Please don't do it, Baba. Have single-page infographic. I'll tell you a free tool, infogram.io. Please use that tool. Free में करवा के देगा. आपका PDF डालो, infogram देगा. ठीक है ना? I'll tell you list of tools for 8 hours. Don't worry. I have just another 5 minutes. Okay? Action, very important. Okay? Action. What actions are you taking right now for the lead generation marketing? I'll show you that. Okay? And these are the 4 things which will get associated with you. So here's the SALT blueprint very quickly, and then I'll go to the actual spectrum of what I've created. If you do this, the SALT blueprint, simple, action, and L stands for? Very nice. And T for? What is the trigger in this? Trigger क्या है इसमें? वो जो चप्पल निकालना ये वो, there's a trigger. आपके businesses ऐसे ही चल रहे हैं. ट्रिगर क्या है? आपका एजुकेशन ऐसे, अभी you will be passing out यार, क्या कर रहे हो? जॉब मिल जाएगी, व्हाट्स द बिग डील? एंटरप्रेन्योर कब बनोगे? ये पूरा दिन $1 बिलियन आपने देखा स्टेज पे, कुछ तो करो यार, कुछ तो करो. ठीक है, आई विल शो यू हाउ. दिस इज अ परसेंटेज दैट विल चेंज बेस्ड ऑन दिस, एंड देन these are the functions in the businesses that you are doing which will change accordingly in this. I don't have time, but I'll just run through this very quickly, and then there are tools associated with each of them. Okay, now this is something unique. I wrote a book on AI. It is there. मैं दिखाऊंगा आपको. Can you just, if you can, book खाली मेरे को दे दो please. Thanks यार. So after 1 year, I wrote this book. AI, it got published by the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Why I'm telling you is because Maharashtra is one of the first states to be an AI-enabled state. Okay, we have entire AI policy, and I'm very closely working. I can't name it officially with few people to really develop a policy on how different functions can operate. Okay, and this is a repetitive and routine task I have considered. Then I have marked it up for optimizing tasks. Okay, and then for all those who are recording, pay me a royalty. Okay. And then the complex task for any business. Okay, and then I have used the creative task. Okay, Now what I've done is, all this task I've taken for any business as an entrepreneur, okay, and then creative task, and then I have mapped them in my quadrant, which I call AJ quadrant, okay, and then I have mapped them what is the AI adaptability and what is the human involvement, and then for each of the quadrants, how much AI and human can you use, and for each of the functions. Are we cool? And you can see the changes and how much AI can adopt. I will tell you a simple example. Today morning my flight was at 4:15. The pilot announced at 4:05, as usual with our traditional. We have everyone checked in, so we are starting early, 4:05. Flight is not moving. 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes. The pilot says there is a small malfunctioning of the airwalk, वो जो connect करता है ना, from the building to the flight, वो malfunction हो रहा है. Now all the techie guys are sitting with laptops. All the other guys are sitting, youngsters. अरे ये करो. A senior guy comes in, okay, big entrepreneur, experienced guy, sir जैसा. क्या कर रहे हो? बोलो सर 15, सब हो गया. Protocols हो गए. Puller मंगाओ, puller. They have this huge truck puller, huge weightage, 5 ton वाला. वो मंगाया, उसको लिया, निकल गए. Traditional approaches are not nullified because of AI. That's my message. You have to enable it with AI to make it effective. Are we cool? Thank you so much. So do respect your seniors and your teachers. Simple thing which I'll show you very quickly. Also asked, free tool. करना क्या है, entrepreneurs and students? Ask a question. It will give you a list of 20 to 30 different questions what people are asking, not only a single keyword. Pick that up, put it into a tool called as Manus, manus.ai. It will answer all the answers for this question. Use that and then put it in the FAQ section of your website and tell me what is your ranking after 1 month. You can take my number from the chairman, he has it. Or you can thank him for calling me. Okay, are we cool? Okay, this is just simple things that I am telling you. So these are all very big things. I'll just skip it up and go to the last slide because it's the time thing. Oh, you want to do some research? This is a tool. It's a free tool, Research Aid. You can do that. Just hold on. So what I'm going to do is I'm quickly, So food industry. Food industry? Okay, great. Sajji, मैंने सब टास्क ले लिए फूड इंडस्ट्री के. अभी दोपहर में बैठे ठीक है, उसको एनालाइज कर दिया. अभी बैच रिकॉर्डिंग किसी ने कहा, कोई स्पीकर ने कहा, when you are speaking in the afternoon. Then I put that into the optimizing task and I broke every optimizing task into a function. These are all the, so waste reduction planning, logistic cost optimization and all that. ये सब दोपहर में किया मैंने, ठीक है. Then I put it to another task which is complex task and I also broke down every function of that complex task. Okay, and then I took the creative task, put it into the function and then the manufacturing task. चल रहा है बराबर सर, है ना? सभी चीज है, ठीक है? Okay, over 320 different functions of an industry I've put it in one thing. And then I mapped it into AJ's quadrants, which I call. Okay, to see what can be optimized. देखो AI कहाँ पे यूज करना वो तो पता चले, यूज करो मतलब क्या करो, ठीक है. So this is the structure. What will happen after that? It will take time because it's a huge memory slide only a MacBook can handle. Can you see this? What's happening? It's all animated inside. Okay, and then the AI adaptability in every function. Now, I'll just quickly go to one presentation for the students which I told you, right? चाहिए $5,000? अरे हाँ या ना? अरे बताओ यार क्या कर रहे हो यार? हाँ? Don't worry. ठीक है. So I'm going to show you a very interesting tool only for you. Yeah, here you go. Just use this tool, friends. Okay? Yeah, you can take the picture now. And data transfer, magic AI. You know there is a tool of AI which is available कि आप YouTube videos देखो, games देखो, reviews डालो. They can give you $100 यार 1 घंटे का. But if people are saying पैसे नहीं है, job नहीं मिल रहा है, what are you talking here? Where are we going? So these are the paid tools. Look at this. Scribe, work from home world. ये देखो, earn $100 or $300 per task depending on completed task. Include sell photos. खाली photos निकाल के डालना है, वो AI को train कर लेता है, बस उतना करना है आपको. $100 यार. You keep on crying, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, गाड़ी नहीं है, धूप है, रास्ते खराब है, all those things. Anyway, all complaining. Just okay, so this is interesting. I'll show you this. You want to build your resume to get a job? Thank me later. These are the tools freely available. Okay, it will build your resume. Best part, it will also build your cover letter for you. These are the tools. Happy? Yes. Happy or no? Yes. And I'll end with my last slide. To finish this, okay. ये खाली आपके लिए मैंने 2 स्लाइड्स अलग निकाल के रखी थी. Where is it? Lucknow, yeah. Okay, here's my last 3 minutes. So, use these tools. क्या हुआ? So use these tools. Don't keep on crying. Okay. आसमा में सभी के वास्ते, आसमा में सभी के वास्ते है एक बूंद. शर्त इतनी है, इतनी शिद्दत से कोई प्यासा तो हो. क्या कर रहे हो यार? I really appreciate the people sitting since morning. By the way, ये मेरा AI है, 1.5 साल पहले बनाया हुआ.
Hi, this is Amit Zadav here, and in my last 21 years experience as a serial entrepreneur, I've realized that there are
ये बहुत पुराना था. This is now made in Jan. This is not me. This is not my voice. This is not the video I recorded.
At 5 years,
It learned everything. I trained it, and now it is creating the videos.
Entrepreneurs, business leaders, sales
Very good.
professionals, even marketing
Tali
executives,
padche
showing
these
videos.
Okay. Anyways, the last 3 slides, and life and businesses are all about doing this. My study, my work, मेरा business, मेरा customer, मेरा costing, मेरा product, मेरा support. एक दिन मालूम है क्या होगा? ये होगा. ये समझो क्या है आप? You should be just like this guy. Okay? Like a Spider-Man. Have all the networks and I had a lot of turbulence for the last 3 hours because I was waiting. But the best thing in my life happened. I met Mahavir Pratap and spent an hour with this guy. Amazing. Amazing. See, you have to find out what's available in that space. 2 hours with this guy. In Pune, we meet at events on the same stage. We hardly talk because this guy is so crowded with people and investors. मैं मेरा talk जाता तो ये इनके जाते. Today I had 2 hours with this guy. I used it to interact. Forget about the funding. I'll resume later. That I'm not saying. So anyways, at the end of it, this is the last slide. Businesses, my dear friends, like I told you about my morning experiences, are all about like balancing the act. You know, AI is going to come. अरे कैमरा वाले की तरफ पीछे से हमें एक फोटो निकाल. क्या तुम लोग ये सब बता पड़ा? Okay, businesses are just like this. You will be successful in 2025. You will have $5,000 per month. You will be very, very optimizing your business by 35%. Kolkata Tire already done that. You can talk to them. Only if you are able to balance the traditional approaches and respect seniority and understand the principles and values they have, and then balance it with respect to the AI tools, the digital tools, except ChatGPT, everything in the world, and make use by human intelligence where to use and what to use. You will be damn successful, I promise you. Thank you very much for inviting me. It's been a fun, amazing pleasure and honor to be here. Thank you so much, President. Yeah, so this is the book which is launched, and this is my digital course on AI. All done for all you guys. Thank you so much.